Namaskaram. Here I come again to talk about some of the warming up exercises for Bharatanatyam dances. So there are sequences where it has to be followed, and one makes sure that they do all these warming up exercises before venturing even the tattoo. So it gives a very bad shock to your body. So uh, please do these basic warming up exercises before actually doing your Bharatanatyam sit-ups or Murmandi jumps or the standing jumps. So here I'll start. So the sequence of warming up exercises are like starting from the toe, then slowly we'll move forward till our eyes, okay, feet, and all these repetitions will be of 6, preferably of 6. So I'll start with the rotation 6 times, up and down, sideways. Same thing will be repeated on the other leg. Then hold your knee and try to sit as much as you can. If you're not able to sit, please avoid this. How much you can go? You can go only so much and come. You can do that. That is closing and opening. Again, opening and closing. Opening and closing. You can actually sit Murmandi, those of you can, but I find it little difficult to, because since I have knee pain. So as much as you can go. Okay. Then exhale, go down and try to touch your heel. Try to touch your knee. That also has to be 6 counts. Then you can do this for 6 counts or the 12 counts. Then the bendings. So this is little warmed up, this is warmed up, will work here. So the bending, don't just be very careful of how you are bending. Don't push this or don't push this. Make sure both your hip is just aligned and just bend as much as you can. You don't have to go beyond your limit. That also has to be 6 count. And then with the hand, as much as you can. You don't have to bend beyond your limit. Then rotate in clockwise and then opposite 6 times. Every repetition, I'm not doing the 6 repetitions exactly because we might not have so much of time. So anti-clock again 6 times. Then bend forward and back. And back. That also has to be 6 times. Yeah. So we are done with this. When you do your 6 times, all your repetition in the correct order, you'll feel that your body is warming up already. So now comes the hands. So rotate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Opposite 6 times, and then touch your shoulder, open, close and back. Touch your shoulder, open, close and back. So like that you'll have to do 6 times. Then raise one hand, the other hand. So when you raise, make sure you have this opposite pull on both the elbows. Okay. And then rotation. Again Again 6 times, anti-clock, 6 times. So you're done with your hand. Now we'll do the shoulder. It is very important to wake every part of your body. We never realize when we just dance right away, we've not warmed up every little part. So we'll work on the shoulder now. Raise and relax. Raise and relax. Raise and relax. Rotate. Again, everything is of 6 counts. Then opposite. And 1 up. Okay. Now cross your hand and stretch. 6 counts. Okay. Then to your shoulder level, chest level, 6 counts. And then take it up. Feet a little apart, not so much, and bend. With the hand stretch, this bending will have, you'll feel a little different all throughout. Okay, and then opposite hand cross and stretch. The same thing, you'll have to do 6 times here, 6 times here, and take it up and bend on the sides. So again, that you'll feel the pull because your hands are up. Okay, and then keep the hand crossed and twist your upper body. That is 6 times again. Now hold your shoulders with the opposite hands and 6 times. As much as you can go, but make sure while you twist your upper body, the legs don't move. The legs should not move. Let it be the same, and how much you can go. You don't have to go so much as you can. Okay. So we are done with the warming up till here. Next comes head. So when you do this, please close your eyes and do everything of 6 repetitions. That is sideways, maximum how much you can do on the sides, up and down, rotation, everything of 6 counts, opposite. Okay, once you're done, open your eyes. Now for a Bharatanatyam dancer, eyes are very important. So for eyes, sideways, open your eyes as much as you can and do up and down, rotation, anti-clock, and diagonals, up and down, both the sides. Once you're done, so this is the general exercise from bottom to top. Personally, me, I do some of my floor exercises to further warm myself up. But if someone is so much in hurry, doing these exercises will warm you up. I'm already sweating, and my body is ready for any kind of dancing. Now you can venture your dance related exercises that are sit-ups, Mudumandi jumps, the normal jumps. Never ever try the first thing jumping as an exercise. You will harm your body. So the sit-ups, you can always remember to keep your feet at the heels closer, not the usual 4 fingers away, because your Murumandi, you will sink in. So for this exercise, keep your heels closer. For 8 counts, you can go down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If I keep my heels away, I will sink in. So keep your heels closer. And then again, when you get up, try to press your heel as early as possible and get up. You can do this in all 3 speeds, starting from slow to fast. And then Murumandi jumps, you can do. Make sure that you don't bounce and jumps. I don't do jumps because I have bad knees. But so these are the basic warming up exercises. And I think if you have many other exercises to do, like in the dance class, you might be taught a lot of other exercises. Please, you can continue, but make sure you do the basic warming up exercises. I also do Surya Namaskaram once I finish all the warming up. So if at all you have enough time and it's also lockdown, please take care of your body and do these exercises because you will not harm your body just venturing into Adavu's right away. So thank you for watching.